All right, well, let's start off with, so that's what it would look like if I used those tires on there. Now, I'm not really too sure if I want to use those kind of tires because, yeah, look at it. That's why. Just because the way, skinnier tires look better on machines when this area right here is skinnier. If this area is skinnier, then skinnier tires look better. But when this is wide and big, as it is, 6 inches, I think, if I remember right, the scrub radius for the camber, would work pretty decently for these tires. But I don't know. Let me move the camera around a little bit so you guys can get a better idea of what this would look like with the smaller tire on it. If I had another tire on the other side, what the hell is that noise? Oh, semi. He's got bad brakes. Oh, and it happens to be a tanker too. Joy! Yeah, so you can kind of get a good idea. Here, let me put the other tire in back. Okay, the tire in back is roughly about where it would be. Can you guys see that? Yeah, so I don't know. I can go that route, or a much more difficult route would be, no, wait, let me show you something. You see how that is set up right like that? I don't really have to worry about too much. Even after I build my arm and hook my rack and pinion connection up to it, probably, I don't have to worry about too much collision with the tire when it turns. But let me show you the other setup here. Now this is the other setup, using the actual rear tires as the front tires. Now, yeah, it looks better, it looks more mean, but what I would have to do if I was gonna get this to work is, let me move the camera over a little bit. Even with the hub inside there, I would still have a long distance on the thing, so I'd have more of a swing in my tire than an actual turn. So I might be able to get away with some of that if I were to raise the tire up a little bit, get the tire to go inside of the spindle, get the spindle to go inside the tire. Okay, like that, which would drop the frame down, and when it comes to turning this direction would be all right. Might have to worry about collision up here, but when it comes to turning this way, that's different because my tie rod might collide with the rim. The rim might collide with the tie rod because the tie rod will be connected inside of here. See what I'm saying? So even if it pulls, it might hit the rim of the tire. So I'm kind of up in the air on what I want to do with this. The tire I don't think it'll collide going this way because it will have to swing a little bit. So I'm not really too sure here. So I thought I would leave it up to you guys. What do you think I should try doing? Do you think I should attempt to do this with these tires? Use these tires on the front and then buy some more. I'd have to do it next month. If I can. But get another set of these tires and rims for the rear end So the whole machine will have the same tires all the way around. Yeah. Because I can't come out too far, because then the tire's not really turning, it's more swinging around the spindle. With that much stress, yeah, I don't know if I'd like that too much. So if I bring all this inside of the tire more, I'm looking at closer to the scrub radius of the tire. The center point, you know, down here, because of the camber. So, not really too sure what to do here. But yep. Plus, on top of that, if I'm going to be putting Ackerman into this, and my front is going to be going forward, if my rack and pinion is going to be going forward, then that means that my connection point won't be able to go in like this. It'll have to go in like this and lining up with the axle. I guess that's not really all that big of a deal of an angle. Looks like it's about maybe 20. I don't know. It looks like about 10 or 20 degrees. And the distance that I'll be connecting will probably be about 2 inches. Boy, that's really cutting it close in there if I do that. Yeah, I don't know. I think I might be able to achieve it either way, but I'm trying to look for the fastest and simplest way, and that would be using the smaller tires, but it would just look weird. If I use those tires, I'll be connecting the spindle way down here, or connecting the axle bolt right here, way down here. If I use these tires, I'll be connecting it up here more, and that's going to lower the frame to make sure that all this fits inside of the rim. See what I'm saying? Which means that this machine will not be riding 12 inches off the ground like it is. It'll be riding, I don't know, whatever this thickness of this board is, 1.5 inches. So it'll be riding 10.5 inches, something like that, maybe. So, yeah. But tell me what you guys think on this. Yeah, guys, so I'm going to keep plugging away on this thing. And if you could also do me a favor, down below in the description of this video, there's a 2-starred link. It goes off to YouTube's Next Up. If you could please get over there and fill out the information and put in tmansgokarts, nominate my channel for that. That would be great. Would really help my channel out a lot. And I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers and my new viewers. Hope you guys enjoy the build. See ya.